This is a video of an inspection we did for a customer who was complaining of regular backups on this section of line. And here we are at the 25-foot mark, and you can see right off the bat we've got root intrusion. And as we try and push through it, we're having a little bit of a hard time, so the root mass continues on behind the initial. So we managed to push through the back of it. There you go. So we jet the line. We go in after a little while, we inspect, and the camera shows us, well, we got half of it, but we need to go back in and get the rest of it. So we jet for additional time, and here you see the shredded vegetation floating by in the water. Now we push in and we look at it, and it's whisper clean. Everything's gone. Cleaned it out nicely. But the reason for the root intrusion becomes really obvious at this point. You can see these large cracks going around the circumference of the pipe right here. You can see it on the right side of frame right there, that big kind of a teardrop shape almost. And these long cracks top and bottom that are leading up to this area. So all of this happens to sit right under the corner of an apartment building, so not an ideal thing to dig up. So we elected to sleeve this with the permaliner system, stabilize the pipe, and prevent any future root intrusion, and worked out very well. Customer was very happy. Let's take a look at a sample above ground. What you're looking at here is a section of degraded cast iron sewer pipe that has been rehabilitated with the permaliner cured in place pipe system. Take a close look at what once was the bottom of the pipe. You can see how it simply rotted away. We see this fairly often in older cast iron pipe, and it's simply known as bottomless pipe. Now take a closer look at this material sleeve inside the pipe. This amazing process is installed as a flexible sock-like material that has been impregnated with a special epoxy resin. It's usually inserted from one small access hole. Typically in 4 hours' time you have a new seamless pipe that is highly resistant to roots, cracking, and deterioration. The beauty of this system is that you don't have to dig a huge trench the length of your repair in order to fix your pipe. Whatever is above ground, for the most part, remains untouched. If your pipe runs under your beautiful garden with 25 years of growth, you don't have to destroy your garden to fix your problem. This process has been used by municipalities for the past 25 years and is now quickly becoming the standard for rehabilitating sewer laterals. Our permaliner system meets and exceeds ASTM standards for cured in place pipe.